Today I'm going to be showing you a couple installs on a 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness Edition. As you can see, we've already outfitted this thing with the Method bronze wheels on a 235 Falcon tire. Turned out really nice. We also did the Rally Armor mud flaps front and rear. But to today's install, we're going to be doing the LP Adventure side rails, rock rails, also the Anderson Fabrication front bumper, light bar bumper, and we're going to be installing the LP6 Baja Design lights on top of that Anderson Fab bumper. We also opted for the full side wings with the Anderson parts, and you can really tell these are companies that really care about their product. And you can see they came outfitted in bright pool noodles, wrapped up in plastic. I mean, took really good care not to have them scratched and dented and dinged like a lot of these other high, manufacturing companies don't care. They throw them in a cardboard box. FedEx and UPS just beats them all to pieces. This is not the case. Each one of these companies took very good care on shipping, very fast on shipping, look to be really nice products, and supposed to be very quick and easy installs that y'all could definitely take care of in your own driveway. We just wanted to show you how the install went and what we thought about it. So we're going to jump into this thing and knock the rock rails out, and then we'll get on the bumper. Stay tuned. Alright guys, install on the LP Adventure side rock rails done. Probably one of the easiest installs done on anything. 2 bolts right there, 1 bolt right there. In the video I'll time lapse it a little bit, but did both sides by myself. Of course it's on a lift, you might be doing it in the driveway, but this install shouldn't take you any more than 30 minutes to an hour, even for the most novice person. You end up with the 2 front bolts, the 4 factory rear bolts. Hardware was nice. Everything fit, finish, great. I would definitely recommend this product. If this is the look you're going for, this is a very well built product. Fitment was great. Everything turned out good. Alright guys, going to do the Anderson Fab bumper bar. Their brackets, I don't know if you can see this. Let's turn a little light on here for you. They go to that factory hole back in there. I went ahead and removed the little clips. They got a little tether on them and just got them out the way, because these will have to be modified in order to clip back around and kind of close that hole up. So we're going to go ahead and get the 2 brackets installed, and then we'll get the bumper bar on with the side wing and the LP6s. As you can see, we got the brackets installed, the bumper bar, and the side wings. Just wanted to give you an overview on this before I got it all tightened up, and I'm actually going to do a little bit of modification when I do the LP6 light install, but this is technically as far as you have to go if you just wanted the push bar and toe point spots with no lights. The brackets going back into the bumper, they've got a foam bumper insert that makes it a little difficult to get in there with the socket with the size hardware they send you. But ultimately it went in, everything is correct. The bolts that hold the bumper bar to the bracket and naturally to the side wing go inside facing out, and they have a flange nut that you put to hold the side wing bracket on, and it's definitely tight quarters to get your fingers back in here. If you have, you know, fumble some fingers like I did, I probably dropped the nut 10-15 times trying to get it all started, but once it's started you can get in there with like a long extension and a swivel to get it tightened up. So not too bad of an install, a little bit more lengthy on that and a little bit more, you know, tight space constrictions than the sidebars we just put on, but all in all a good product. All right guys, like I talked about, removing these plastic inserts to put the brackets for the bumper bar on. They will have to be modified to go around the bracket. You'll see that cut from the top to about the tip of the arrow, just a little bit past, and a little notch out right there for that gusset right there. So that's how we modified these. I mean, you could have just cut it straight off all the way and then, you know, adhered it in there somehow, but this will actually clip back in. It's still got the both sides of the top clip. It's got the side clip, bottom clip, and both the side clips. So this will snap back in and be nice and secure. So that's how I modified this one. It's not the only way, just wanted to show you that real quick. Here's what the finished product looks like on the Anderson Fab bumper bar, main bar, full side wings, mounting brackets with the D-ring hole. We opted for the LP6 Baja Design combo driving lights, which looked excellent on there. Yes, that is a very expensive light, but it is a get what you pay for world. You could definitely put a light bar or 2.0 light pods. You got all the options in the world. They have multiple mounting spots. For the LP6 we did have to drill the mounting spot out to a 3/8 hole for the larger hardware, for the larger light, but no big deal, very easy. Once again, overall very clean finish. The hardware to bolt the bumper bar to the bracket and the side wings is a little difficult to get to, but it's not impossible. Like I said, you might drop a bolt or two. Don't let it discourage you. You will get it. If you've been following us, you know that we're from Richmond, Virginia. You see the license plate on this thing is New York. It is not because he moved and it just happens to be here. He is a loyal customer of ours, and he travels from New York for us to do his installs. He likes the work that we do. He trusts us with his vehicle, and we really appreciate that. It means a lot to us. We have a lot of customers that travel from different states, and this happens to be one of them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. A couple of different companies, Anderson Fab, once again, LP Adventure, side rails. Both companies make great products, both great people. Definitely fit a lot of options for this particular vehicle, so works out for him. But we like dealing with companies that have nice products, take pride in what they do, fit and finish is nice. Something that you can definitely do in your backyard. We're not going to bore you with the wiring install and everything that we did to this. Just a simple, the Baja Design wiring kit comes pre-relayed, pre-fused. All you got to do is tap in one wire and put the switch somewhere on your dash, and the rest is history. Like and subscribe, guys. We really appreciate you. We'll keep them coming.